Hey everyone, quick update for Origin, but before we get into that, I got home and I've been in and out of the office in the studio throughout today. I got home and found this on my doorstep, and it says, Michael, awesome to meet you. Thank you for your time on the appearing on the podcast. Looking forward to meeting in person. Cheers, Brad McDonald and Johnny Sewell. So I'm intrigued as to what I found on my doorstep, and I kind of figured, why not have a look together. So it's going to look like this. Apparently on the internet, there are these things called unboxing videos. And they always creep me out because I think of the movie Seven, where he's like, what's in the box? What's in the box? And it's his wife's head. So hopefully this is not that. But undoubtedly there's going to be a pleasant surprise in here. Okay, it feels cold, round. What is it? Oh, what is this? I know that. That's Isle of Harris gin infused with sugar kelp. Okay, so I was just on a podcast. I'm happy to do that anytime you want, ever again, you guys. Thank you so much. The podcast will be coming out soon, hopefully. I know what I'm doing this weekend. Thanks a bunch. So I look forward to seeing you guys there because I've just bought tickets to come to Origin as well. The update is this. Tickets are actually going really quick, so jump in, grab a ticket. It'll be in the comments, the link to Origin. I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you guys. Anytime, I'm happy to do a podcast. See ya.